He tried to surrender to a Ukrainian drone, but it showed no mercy. I'll use a fictional war thriller approach, cinematic and emotional, perfect for narration, with tension rising until the climax. Here's the beginning. He tried to surrender to a Ukrainian drone, but it showed no mercy. Opening. The sound in the sky. Low wind. The faint hum of a drone grows louder. In war, the most terrifying sound isn't the blast of a missile or the roar of artillery. It's the quiet mechanical buzz of a drone, the kind you can't see, but knows exactly where you are. Ole Petrenko was lying face down in the dirt, his chest pounding against the frozen earth. His hands were empty. His rifle was gone. Above him the buzz circled. Once, twice, and then it stopped. He didn't move. He didn't breathe. Cut to black. Ole hadn't thought much about the war lately. After 3 years on the front, you stop thinking about the why and just focus on the how. How to stay alive. How to get warm food. How to find sleep without dreams. That morning, his unit had been stationed near an abandoned village, one of the many left in ruins by shifting front lines. The houses stood empty, windows shattered, roofs sagging under snow, a place frozen in time and in fear. They had no warning, no artillery barrage, no gunfire, just the sound of a drone. At first it was faint, like a wasp lost in the distance, but it grew louder, sharper, until it was right above them. "Eyes up!" his sergeant shouted. Too late. The first explosion tore through the center of the street. Smoke swallowed everything. The blast wave threw Ole off his feet. When his vision cleared, there was no one left standing. Back to the present, the encounter. He could see it now. The drone hovered just 10 meters above, black against the pale winter sky. Its lens stared at him, cold, unblinking. Ole raised his hands high. "I surrender," he shouted, his voice hoarse. "I'm unarmed." The drone didn't move. For a long, unbearable second, it just observed him. Then the barrel beneath its frame adjusted downward. He knew what that meant. "No, wait." The last thing he saw was a flash, small, bright, and merciless. Cut to silence.